Aquarius, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, and healing all your way. I am the greatest healer of all time with the message. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Please forgive me for my voice. We're down in Atlanta. My friend just got married. We're having the time of our lives, but I want to make sure I talk to you guys. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. I thank you for your donations, your love, and your grace. Thank you for visiting GHOAT.WORLD, where every physical ailment meets a physical healing. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, concussion, autism is at an all-time high. All at the age of an all-time low. Please visit GHOAT.WORLD, where our techniques will reverse your traumas at the site, the most uninvasive techniques. Therefore, you'll never need drugs nor surgery. If you feel better, you'll think better. Therefore, you will live better. Guys, if we are what we eat, if we cheat, we must treat. So eat right, treat right. I need you on a massage bed twice a month. Open up that lymph system, decompress that nervous system. Let's get the junk out, and let's get some pressure off those pinched nerves so we're not walking around like balls of tension and emotion. Please stay away from pork, shellfish. There's no way we can maintain a healthy body with a filthy diet. Guys, please stop cutting your hair, your beard. It's the outer representation of your nervous system. If you went to go cut your nervous system, you short-circuit the system. And as we short-circuit our system on a nightly, weekly, monthly basis, where the head goes, the body shall follow. Hair used to be a sign of royalty in the times. I'm not sure when that changed, but PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, concussion, autism is at an all-time high, all at the age of an all-time low. So I urge you to invest into your health, proper diet, sleep intake, workout regimen, physical therapist life, massage therapist life. I mean, the balance of mind, body, and spirit, meditation, prayer, whatever is unique to you, please find it, because you'll need it. Life's a marathon, not a sprint. What does it prove to have your heart's desires if you cannot enjoy it due to bad health? The name of the game is obedience over sacrifice. You want to fall in love with your purpose, you need to fall in love with your service. Nothing changes until you do, guys. Learn universal laws so you know how to play it and you can win. All right, Aquarius, you guys ready for your word of the day? Eyes roll back, taking all the positive energies of the universe into your stomach. Exhale all those negative thoughts, baby. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. Thank you for your love, donations, and your grace. Please visit GHOAT.WORLD for all physical ailments has a physical healing. All right, you guys ready for your word of the day? Aquarius, you guys have vitality. Therefore, I'm asking you guys to zone in on your vitals. Proper water intake, proper food intake, proper sleep regimen, massage therapy life. Make sure you're at least on a massage bed twice a month, if not once a week. If we can buy a bottle of alcohol for every weekend or every night, we can average one massage therapy session at least once a week, guys. Vitality means you got to work on those vitals. We got to make sure you are a healthy being, because where you're going, it does not serve you to be handicapped or have any type of handicap and cannot do everything that you wish and want for as long as you want as longevity if your health is no good, guys. Your health is literally your wealth, as Carr is saying. That means you're headed to this place. Make sure you take great habits to your promised land. Take great habits to your new blessing, to your new miracle. You cannot bring old habits, old skin, old food, old smells to new habitat. I am a being of light. That means you've been changing. You're lighting up the world. And I accept the divine energy in my body, and every one of my cells regenerates. What I urge you to do right now is meditation. Find your quiet spot, prayer, whatever your form of communicating with source, universe, light, where you can get some rest. But the most important thing you need to do is listen. In those times we're usually talking and we're asking and we're wearing ourselves out with concerns, your body, your spirit already knows what you need and will petition for you. Therefore, you just need to relax, being resolved, because nothing that is meant for you, you have no chance of missing, even if you tried. So make sure that you're ready. Make sure that you can handle your blessing, and make sure you're ready to enjoy it. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you guys. Please visit GHOAT.WORLD, where every physical ailment meets a physical healing. And guys, I thank you for your donations, your love, and your grace. Please be safe.